Alright, what's up guys? I want to show you a little tutorial on the view pager in Enaml Native. So the view pager just lets you scroll between different screens. So I made a simple example that has a navigation bar at the top and a little menu bar at the bottom. So how to use it: you add the view pager component, and then you add your pages that must be a subclass of the fragment. So there's a couple that are there already. So the pager fragment's one that has a title and an icon that you can set, and you can access the pages using the view pager reference and then the dot pages. So let me just demo this quick and then I'll explain how it works. So you can scroll from next to right and you see the titles scrolling with it. It's hard to do it with the mouse. So you see the menus reflecting which page we're on, the last page, so it goes away. And you see the titles animating when it goes from one page to the other. And you can use the buttons up here as well, and it's scrolling, or you can use the little navigation down here. And you see everything's in sync. I don't really have much content in here, but alright, so what this is doing is we're using two view pagers here. The main content screen's a view pager, and then the navigation we're passing in the main content screen. And this is just the navigation is just a toolbar, and that has a view pager for the title. So this is showing some of the way you access the view pager properties. So we're binding the title view pager for this title text to the current index of the screens that we pass in. So the screen pager, whenever that current index changes, it's updating the title view pager, and that's why we get this animation where the title's scrolling in and out with the page. It's dynamically creating the pages in the title based on what's set down here. Each pager fragment down here, we're setting a title and an icon. So the title is home pictures photo, and here we're just using a looper and iterating over the pages and setting the text to that title property. And then to go from one page to the next programmatically, when we click these buttons, we're simply incrementing the pager index. So it's super simple. When it's clicked, you increment it. And then we're doing the same thing down at the bottom, except we're just hard coding it to the loop index when you set that. So anyways, view pager is really simple. I think it's a lot simpler than doing it in native Android. It's doing a lot of work behind the scenes for you, but it makes it really nice and usable in Enaml Native in the apps. And you can also set the off-screen page limit and page margins. So the important thing about the off-screen page limit is every page in here is a subclass of the conditional, so it's rendering it only if it's within the page limit. So I believe the default is 3, so right now all of these are rendering at the same time. But say we would have like 100 pages in here or something, or a large number of pages, it's only going to be rendering the ones that are needed, and then as soon as you change the page, it'll set that condition to true and re-render if you go beyond what the current is. So it's a really efficient way of doing it. It's using this fragment pager adapter built into Android. So anyways, really smooth, and it's really easy to use in Enaml Native, so check it out. Alright, thanks for watching.